Howdy, howdy, howdy. Happy to be here and happy you're here with me. And if you're new here and enjoy this content, I hope you'll subscribe. And hi, my name is Heather here at Southern Gals Crochet. All right, it's been a while. Uh, it's been a really long while. So much so that it's taken me all day to figure out what am I going to talk about today. So I guess what we're going to do is go through all of the things that I have that need to be price tagged. And I will show you what they are and tell you how much they're going to be. Before we get to that, I just wanted to put out a big thank you to everyone who is very understanding about how things are going in my little world. My friend that I've been taking care of, my lady, she is currently in the hospital again, and they're talking about sending her to a nursing home afterwards. So it's been a roller coaster ride for about a month now, and I have learned so much that I never knew I needed to learn. And I don't know what's going to happen. So I'm just taking one day at a time here. But I really haven't gotten a whole lot of crochet done in the last month. And for the life of me, I can't even remember the last thing I talked about here. It's been that long. I did try to throw in some tutorials while I was gone, and I hope that was enough for I hope that was enough to keep you coming back. Okay, so first up, let's see. I got a lot of things on my table here, and Lord knows what I have showed you and what I haven't. I honestly, my brain is so frazzled, I have no idea. Okay, so I have some bees. These are smaller than what I normally do, and I did that on purpose. I wanted to have some smaller bees to offer my customers. So we have 4 bees, and these are going to be priced at $12. Just because they are basically the same size as the Easy Cats. I mean, pretty much the same size. And so I'm going to keep that in the same category as $12. And then, of course, the Easy Cats are also $12. And I have 5 of those. And these are just what I need to get price tags on because I've just been so busy. They're just all been piling up. And I do have an event scheduled for this Saturday. And it's just a half a day. Yeah, just a half a day. So it's not going to be too hard to get, squeeze that into my day. All right, let's see, what else do we have here? I'll move those out of the way. We have 6 half a dozen roses, and those are priced at $10 a piece. And they're pretty easy. They have a wooden dowel in here, not wire, but a wooden dowel, and pretty easy to make. So I have 6 of those. All right, and now let's see. We have the small octos, and I sell these for $12 a piece. And I think I have 7 of them done. So there we go. Oh, I like that color combo. It's pretty cute. And there we go. We have 7 octos done. I sell those at $12 a piece. And, well, let's see. What else are we going to do? My chair is squeaking. I experimented with the wind spinners a while back, and of course I need to price point these, and for the life of me I'm not sure what I'm going to put on them. They did take up almost a half a skein of yarn, so, but I did them in the regular worsted weight yarn. They're pretty long. And so I'm thinking about, and of course they took time as well, so I'm thinking around $20 for a wind spinner. If you think that's too much, let me know, because I'm still really not sure what the good price point for these spinners are. I'm thinking maybe 18, but 20, I don't know, maybe even 25. I just, to be honest, I am not sure. And then I did one that was, it's slightly shorter. So, yeah. But I did the 2 different colors just to give it a little extra something. I'm not sure what. But I have I have 5 of these done. And yeah, I'm just not quite sure what the price point should be on these. Definitely the green and the purple are shorter than this multicolored, I think it's called Painted Desert. And so yeah, it's definitely, those are shorter than this one is. So I'm guessing that we'll definitely see. You can tell how much difference that is. Like almost 3/4. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not going to unravel all of those, but those are the 5 I have, and I'm thinking $18, $20. But yeah, you let me know. Okay, so let's move on. We now have Rubber Ducky. That's my own little rubber ducky, which, you know, just a very simple, kind of sort of like the chicken pattern, but just a little bit different. And I will be selling, I have 6 of them, and I will be selling those at $10 a piece. And then I have some new product, another new product that I don't know if you'll know what they are, but they're little Hershey's Kisses. Little bitty Hershey's Kisses. And I have 6 of them done, and I'll be selling those at $5 a piece. And I did some of them with eyes and then some without. So yeah, $5 a piece. And then we have some baby chicks. My little baby chick pattern. And I sell these at $8 a piece. And just a little bit more left to go. Alright, and I got some chickens done. And I think I got a total of 6 chickens. And I'll just show you some quick colors here. I love the black one. He's so pretty. And then of course the white one as well. But yep, I got 6 of those done. And I sell the sesame chicken for $18 a piece. And if you haven't seen my newest pattern, it is a little race car. And these are my little cars. And I have a free YouTube tutorial for those. And these were really fun to make and fast. And I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. And I'll be selling these for $10 a piece. And I have 7 cars. And let's see. Oh, and I did a tutorial of my scrubbies. And so I have 1 set of scrubbies to go with the other 20 sets I already have still made. And let's see. And then I wanted to give a big shout out to Crafty Sue. She did a phenomenal job on my rabbits, my bunnies, I should say. And she let all of her followers see what she had done, and they were oh so cute. And so here are my bunny rabbits. I have 4 bunny rabbits made, and they are all no-sew. All you have to do is hot glue a little pom-pom, and that's it. So really, really cute pattern, easy, and it's on my website. Of course, I will have a link below for that. And yeah, I picked some pretty good Easter colors for my bunnies. Pretty happy I got that done. And let's see, I got 8 mushrooms, my mushroom cupcake pattern, and these sell like crazy. It's hard for me to keep these in stock. I sell these mushrooms at $8 a piece. Oh, and I'm going to be selling the bunnies at $15. Just thought I'd mention that. Alright, and we have 2 more items left, and that'll be it. I got a large bunny done, and he is going to be priced at $30. And this is my latest work. I almost showed him. This is my latest work. I have not written up a pattern. I mean, I did write it up. I just, just for myself. Um, so here we go. Here is my giraffe. Can you see him real good? He has the basic shape of my latest mammoth pattern, but just with a more elongated neck and a separate head, actually. But yeah, it unfortunately, with everything that was going on, it really took me a long time to get this done. So I'm pretty proud of actually have finished this. Oh, I did forget one more thing. 3 Highland cows. I got 3 Highland cows done. In between, while working on the giraffe, I managed to get 3 of these done in my somewhat spare time. It's been pretty hectic. I go to her house in the morning and then I go again in the evening, and it got to the point where she was not doing so well on her own, and I feel bad because I can only do so much. I wish I could do more, but there's just no more time to do anymore. All right, well, I need to get busy on price tagging all of these, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye bye.